Discussions during the youth town hall meeting centered on developing Africa's agricultural sector and the role young people must play.
The potential of agriculture on our continent is vast. We need to invest more and get more out of the investments we have already made. This includes public infrastructure and value chains, particularly for the growing urban food markets that underpin prosperity in rural areas. What we need from you is the corresponding focus and innovative spirit so that agriculture can indeed serve as the basis of Africa's economic transformation.
Despite Africa still unable to satisfy her own food markets, her population has continued to increase rapidly, an average of 3% annually in the sub-Saharan region. That means developing the agricultural sector will not only provide more food, which obviously is needed and will continue to be needed with the increasing population, but also fight unemployment among youths by providing much needed work.
The fact is that most African youth are not employed. By 2035, within the coming 15 years, Africa should generate 350 million new jobs, according to the World Bank estimate. There is reasonable potential for agriculture to create employment and jobs. African youth has not yet fully realized agriculture as a profitable opportunity for livelihood.
The youth participating highlighted some of the many challenges that have continued to hinder young people engaged in agriculture and those who may want to join the sector.
If you are not starting from the seeds, good seeds, we are not having a good production. So you can't imagine how much quantities that we are importing from abroad, and really it is opportunities for the entrepreneurs in Africa who can use those opportunities to produce the seeds while importing them from abroad. Last time we used to import the seeds of cherries, Badai, 1 kg costed us around 2,000 USD.
One major challenge that I've seen in the agriculture value chain, especially for us young people, is access to finance. We are asked to provide loans, collateral, for us to get money from the banks. But the majority of the smallholder farmers, especially young people, are people who've just left school, people who are just graduates, who don't really have collateral. So for me, access to finance should be something that really we should address for youth to sustainably engage in agriculture.
Though challenges still exist, it does not mean that long-term solutions are not being sought.
In our vision, we want to transform our agriculture from mostly subsistence to a modern, knowledge-based sector that ensures both food and nutrition security and also creates value and contributes to our economy. Besides enabling good policy, we are working to provide the required infrastructure and to support research. And you will find that this is across the whole continent. Each country really is focused on a number of things, but these are the common ones. We have put in place social protection and emergency response measures, especially for climate change adaptation, and increased access to finance for farmers.
The Youth Town Hall meeting was organized as part of the ongoing 10th Annual Summit of the African Green Revolution Forum here in Kigali, the first to be held virtually.